beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella, and on this channel I give you tutorials, tips and tricks, travel vlogs and lifestyle vlogs. So today's video is all about our eyebrows. So I'm gonna show you detailed tutorial, step by step, very quick and easy, how to shape and trim your eyebrows at home. You don't need hundreds of dollars. You can do this within 5 minutes. Okay, it's very quick and very easy. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So before we start, if you haven't watched my other video on how to do your own classic lashes, girl, what are you waiting for? Go watch the video after watching this one, and that is a very quick, detailed detailed classic lash tutorial, and it's very easy and you can do it within 10 minutes. Okay, so let's get into the eyebrows video. So to do your eyebrows at home, you don't need too much. You need maximum 4 products. Okay, and if you want to be extra, you can add one more, which is the concealer, but I'm gonna do no concealer today. So you can see my eyebrows, normally they're shaped very nicely, and that is why that is because I keep trimming them on my own. Okay, so first things first, what you need is a brush. This brush is used for your eyelash. Let me comb it a little bit. But you can also use for your brows. Okay, and then you need a blade. You need this blade, and then you need a brow gel. So I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Can you? Oh God, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze gel, and this you can find in Sephora. And if you do not want to spend money on a brow gel, please, you can use the soap. You can use a soap. Okay, you don't need too much to do the eyebrows. And what I like to use also is wipes. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna wipe off the excessive oil, whatever product that is on our brows. Okay, so let's get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a wipe, and then I'm gonna just wipe off the dirt, the excessive oil on my brow. Make sure that you are wiping it very clean so that you don't have no excessive oil on the brow. Okay, and then you let it dry for a bit. Doesn't have to take too long, just let it dry for a bit. Okay, the second thing you're gonna do is take your brush and then just brush through your brows. Okay, so I like to brush my upwards like this, and you can see that they're way too long, like they're overgrown. Okay, so I like to brush them up so I can see where the line is at. I'm gonna do it on this side as well. It's gonna help me see where the line is at. Okay, and then you go ahead and use your brow gel. So I'm gonna be looking here because I have a mirror here. So the brow gel, the good thing with this brow gel is it comes with a brush also. So it has this flat area, and then it has the brush on the corners, so you can just brush it up like that. Can just brush it up, just keep brushing up. And the good thing with this brow gel is you don't need too much. A little amount goes a long way. Okay, so you just brushing it up like that. And then what you can do is use the flat area the flat area to like flatten it down, but upwards like that. So you use the flat area to flatten it like that. Okay, so flatten it like there. And this is why I like this brow gel. Like, it looks like you have gotten your brow laminated. Okay. So I'm gonna do this side as well, show y'all, and then we're just gonna like make it stick. So like make sure you're also pressing in so it's like laying down flat like that. So this is how you want your brows to look. It looks crazy, and that is why we're gonna fix them. Okay, so we're gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna trim them. Okay, another trick also you can do, another trick also you can do is use the flat. If you don't have like the brow gel with the flat part, you can also use your blade, and then you just like flatten it upwards like that, flatten it upwards, and like it dries very, very fast, which I love. So you just like flatten it upwards, and now we're going to trim. You let it dry and then you trim. Okay, so we're gonna take our blade. Make sure that your blade is clean and sharp. Okay, clean and sharp. So let me come closer so y'all can see. Now I'm not, ignore my hair. Okay, we're not doing hair today. What we're gonna do, you take your blade, pull up your brow, listen, pull up the brow, and then slowly you trim down. Do not do too much. Do not do too much. Raise up and trim. However shape you want it, go in slowly and slowly. Okay, and as you're trimming, you go in. See? Look and look. You got it? So we're gonna do all the way here. Remember, when you're using your blade, make sure to be cleaning the excess hair with the wipes. Okay, that is why you need the wipes. Now you hold, pull up, you trim. I have a lot of hair, so I don't want them that much, so I like to go in a little bit of my brows and then just get rid of the hair. Do not be afraid to like go down so you can see. And also, even as you're like trimming the hair, you can see like dirt's falling out. See? And then you clean it, and now you have like a good shape. We're still gonna continue. So this side, please be careful. Do not cut yourself, please. That is why you have to be like very, very gentle when you're doing it. Okay, so see, this is a good line, not too dramatic, and you're not making a mistake either. So now the difficult part is like getting this part. Okay, so we're gonna do it like very, very slowly. Very slowly, y'all. Very slowly. Because trust me, if you do the line wrong, your brows are messed up. See? So I didn't do too much. Very slowly. And then you can, you know, go ahead and brush in a little bit. Brush in a little bit. So as you can see, the line is not quite straight here. So the line is not quite straight here. So I'm just gonna go ahead a little bit and like pluck just a little bit. Okay, we're not doing too much. Otherwise you lose all your hair, and we don't want that. See? Much better. Very much better. Okay, and then we trim up. Now the difficult part is the up. right? So what I do, don't forget, clean always. Now for the up, you can either like cut here, but I would recommend you cutting with a scissors if you have. Okay, if you don't have and you want to use the blade, be very, very careful. So what I do, I don't normally cut my brows. I trim it down like this. Very quick and easy. Okay, so we start from the outer corner. Remember, lift up your brows a little bit and then trim down. See? We'll do it again. So we go up. So if you don't want too much hair, you can like cut a little bit, but be careful. Okay, do not cut yourself, please. So now we do a little bit of here, a little bit of here. So like even when you brush up, you can still do a little bit. Cut in. See, I'm doing it very, very small. Like all you need is patience with this one. Do not rush, okay? You need a lot of patience. If you don't have one, make sure you have it before you start anything. And make sure that you're like following the shape of your natural. Okay, so now we're gonna trim the other part. Remember, facelift, and then, oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay, this part I need you to be extra careful. See? Great. Then now we do the outer corner. Be careful, do not cut yourself.
End results.
Brush it. Do not go spend so much money to get your brow trimmed. You can do it at home. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.